Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will clean your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. So I have cleaning tools, but you can use your toothbrush. But I have something better than it. So firstly, if you have isopropyl alcohol, you should apply it to the charging contacts on your charging case right here and on the front side of your earbuds right here. We have it. It doesn't conduct electricity, so don't worry, there will be no short circuit. Now let me also add the earbuds, and now I'm going to use this brush, but as I said previously, you can use your toothbrush. Now let's clean it. Also we can clean the microphones right here at the bottom near to these contacts. We have it. Also I have something like not this one, so we can clean microphone contacts here. And now let's move to the right earbud. It's the same process as with the left one. And let's clean the microphone here. Now I wanna do it with charging case, because it should also be cleaned. And after that, let's clean the grill on your earbuds. Firstly, let's remove ear tips from it, and then slightly clean it. Here we go. Now let's attach it. Let's move to the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.